Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mango sorbet with frozen mango. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of frozen mango chunks, which is about 2 large mangoes. Also, have 1/2 cup of water or coconut water and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. For a touch more sweetness, you might add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or agave. Now, let's get blending. Add all your prepared ingredients into a powerful high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low setting to break down the frozen mango, then gradually increase the speed. Use a tamper, if your blender has one, to continuously push the frozen mango chunks down towards the blades. Continue blending until the mixture is incredibly smooth and has a uniform, creamy consistency. Achieving the perfect texture is key for amazing sorbet. If your mixture is too thick and not blending well, add 1 tablespoon of water or coconut water at a time until it moves freely. Conversely, if it becomes too thin, simply add a few more frozen mango chunks. Remember to scrape down the sides of your blender as needed. The goal is a thick, smooth consistency, similar to soft-serve ice cream. Your homemade mango sorbet is ready. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve it immediately. You can garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint or a few extra mango pieces for a beautiful presentation. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. It will remain delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready for another refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.